In this jump demonstration, we'll see how to create dot plots for visualizing the distribution of continuous variables. We're using the car physical data in the sample data library. A dot plot represents each individual data point as a single dot, with all dots then spread out along a continuous axis. To create our dot plot, we'll use Graph Builder under the Graph menu. We'll take a continuous variable, here weight, and drag it to the y-axis role for a vertical dot plot, or the x-axis role for a horizontal dot plot. We can use the jitter option to tell Jump how to spread the points out to convey the density. The jitter is set to auto by default, but we can choose any number of different jitter types. Here, we'll choose positive grid to have the points aligned directly on the axis itself. As with many types of plots, adding a categorical variable can be useful to help us look for differences across the levels of that categorical variable. Here, we'll place type into the group Y role so that we have one dot plot for each of the 5 different types of cars in our dataset.